Hey guys, it's Saturday, May 2nd. It's a beautiful Saturday today, so we're gonna head up to Cossatot State Park. We're gonna hang out by a cool waterfall they have out there. We got our beach chairs in the back.
And we got a sandwich.
All right, so let's go and check it out. We made it to Cossatot Falls, so we had to park pretty far actually from where you go down to the falls. There's a lot of people here. We're gonna go down and try to find a spot to sit. Sandwich, the huge sandwich, or I'm gonna say all of it. Got my coffee, my water bottle. Brittany's judging me. But it's a beautiful spot here. We're right in the middle of the falls. It's not like a single waterfall. It cascades down over a series of rocks. But it's a really nice spot. Already jumped in the water, so it's just absolutely beautiful down here.
JT, what'd you do?
The last clip jump we just did, I came back up and realized my watch was gone. So just jumped down. We never did find the bottom, we were jumping, but I held my breath and went to the bottom of the pool and couldn't even see anything. I'm just like fumbling around on the bottom and came back up with this. Thank goodness. It's been a successful day here at the falls, so we've had a really good day. And we're about to head back to the truck. We got to climb over some rocks to get back there.
Let's go.
Take off. So we're almost back to the truck. So we had a great day here at Cossatot Falls. We hung out in the beach chairs by the water. We swam a bit. Even got Brittany to jump off some rocks, did a little bit of cliff jumping. What'd you think about it?
It was fun. I enjoyed it.
So had a really good day. Might even come back tomorrow. So we're gonna hop in the truck and take off back to Texarkana.